He's a Texas legend, larger than life. He's made and lost millions several times. He's ridden a horse up the Texas Capitol steps to battle AT&T and won. Blue represents a future fueled by purpose, mission, and the pursuit of student success. There's love in the air, and it's time to show how much you care with Valentine's gifts from United Supermarkets and Market Street. Bull riding, mud slinging, bronc busting, this ain't your mama's fair. This is the flu bug. He's big.
I'm big.
He's bad.
I'm bad.
And he isn't afraid of anything.
I ain't afraid of nothing.
Except a teeny tiny needle.
Needle?
Less stress, save time, save money. Just that right there would make life better, wouldn't it? Well, meet Market Street, the next level of excellence. The NCAA. From everyday groceries to exceptional gourmet, our stores are serving Texans the best we've got to offer, day after day. From Dallas to Dalhart.